Good evening, everyone. Um, I thought I'd do a short stream because yesterday's video didn't go as well as planned. So I wanted to do a quick stream. Gonna play a video game after I do some explanation, set up some tables, and set them to do some trading for us. We have some time to wait, so I'm gonna enjoy myself and then get back with the results and show you guys how quick this can go. Um, I had a call with one of the Discord users that was interested in the bot this evening, and well, morning still, I guess it was around 11, and I just throughout the call, as an example, I set up or I activated two populations randomly. Um, and this is the results of that. A lot of completed trades, as you guys can see, and you can zoom into everything and basically see what has happened. So, for example, this agent that bought the low, um, Bull 1.7, it had a score of 804 and an order price of 35,520. And so you can you can basically for every agent see the score, and based on their performance they will get a score, and we track all these scores and the trend, the market conditions. So yeah, I hope this gives a little bit of an example of what our system can do. I mean, this is not that much of time, and basically you're mining liquidity and volatility out of the market. um, I would even say you're contributing to the success of Bitcoin and the stabilization of its price, because this is a smart market making strategy, and we need more of that. We don't need more emotional traders that basically make um, wrong decisions and emotional decisions out of fear and greed, and therefore create this volatile beast price mode, which we're seeing a lot of lately, and I personally predict a lot more of it in the future. We at Genesis Algo are really focused on the DeFi section of this whole blockchain industry. I think it's fascinating already what BitMEX, although it's very shady, like a lot of people think of it as very shady, I think it's very beautiful what they've brought with their derivatives trading, where they pay such high rebates compared to the forex markets, for example, the stock market. And this structure with funding rate and everything, I think it's beautiful. I'm seeing more and more companies and projects going towards even a feeless structure, so there is no fees on trading, and yeah, I think that's the future. Decentralized exchanges, feeless structures. So smart market making will be more and more popular. I think. I mean, in projects like Uniswap and everything, you have the auto market maker. It's basically a very simple market maker strategy. So yeah. Anyway. Yeah, on the screen it looks very complex, by the way, guys. You see a lot of orders, and it's tiny orders, but it adds up. Don't mind my losses. This is just a trading or testnet account that I use to test things like safeties and everything. So don't worry about that. Everyone is having nice results, and uh, yeah, things are amazing. If it comes to the trading strategy so far, we still have a lot of improvements to do also. So yeah, one note to all the users. We've released a patch yesterday, and as you guys know, when you start the bot, you get these two Python windows. Uh, we made it somewhat cleaner, the Python windows, but everyone should make sure that in their configuration, so in their config file, I think I also posted this in Discord. Let me get that in front of us for now. Let me see, test chat, where did I post it? Yeah, test chat. So in your configuration, guys, make sure the version is set to 2.0.1. Okay, I see. Let's have a look how many of you actually did that. Because if I go here and I start my trend chart, let's have a quick look at that. And then the next thing I wanted to do is Okay, so we have some nice sideways market here. I'm gonna stop all my all my tables. So let's see what I had turned on. I think it was sideways. So I basically made about 8,000 satoshis on the sideways table in a net P&L, so realized P&L. No, net P&L, so unrealized plus realized. So I'm gonna stop that table, and I should see orders disappearing here. And you can always confirm that your orders, your table is being stopped in this Python command, and that your orders are actually being cancelled. There we go. Oh, I was a bit too quick. You have to wait until these buttons release again so that you can do your next thing. Yeah, because the the system has to take orders out one by one because we have a certain way of letting our agents continue their trade that they're in. So they should finish their open positions. So therefore, it needs to do a lot of API requests, and sometimes we get timed out for a little bit. So that process takes a little bit of time, but it's done now. The table is stopped. Let's see which other table is running currently. Okay, it was only one table that was running. So all these other orders that you guys are seeing, either I forgot to stop or remove old active orders, which maybe I can find out by just deleting all the orders. Maybe that wasn't the smartest thing to do because now some of the exits are out of the boat, but anyway, we can restart. That doesn't really matter. It was just a trial anyway. What we're going to do is we're going to set up a bear table and a bull table, and we're going to set them up below this. Let's call this the equilibrium price, so the middle range, and then below the middle range we're going to buy, and above the middle range we're going to sell, and we want to do that based on price levels that we put in. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can very easily do that for yourself using the tables provided currently. And let's see, active tables. Let's close the bot for a second. So by closing the two Python windows, you actually close the bot. That's the fastest and easiest way. Okay. So I'm gonna drag this one in my other window into a Google Docs file, and within this file we can make some edits to the population. So here we have the file, and what we said is we wanted to put these populations in certain price areas. Okay, so we want them. Actually, let's take another one, uh, which will make the whole process a lot faster. Let's actually use long UI and short UI. I think that's better because they're gonna trade more rapidly, and we don't have to wait as long for the results. Um, so we start with the long UI. We open it up in a Google Docs, which will give us a nice overview of the populations. You can also use visual code if you're a developer. I think there is some extensions that you can use for that. Okay, let's see what was the middle branch range again. Okay, we want to start scaling into a short from 3600, just very easily set, right? We don't have to make it very complex, the technical analysis, like we want to allow anyone to do this. So okay, just above the price 3600 we want to short, 35,500 we want to long. Okay, that's the information we needed. This is a long table, so 35,500, 550. Bam. This is all you have to do. So now all the parents, okay, so the parents are the ones without a dot, because these are children and these are grandchildren. So now all the parents basically have been assigned a price range. They're only activated above or below this price, so they can only buy below this price. Okay, and we basically download this one, give it a slightly different name, long UI1, download.csv. And the best thing you can do, or best practice basically, is to also change the name, because otherwise in our search engine we will get similar names and it will be hard to know if you will kind of have to search through the settings if it's a different agent or same agent. So I'm gonna give every long a double L. And this way I can also use both tables in the same session, in the same bot basically. If agents within different agent tables within different populations have similar names, this will create a bug in our system. So you cannot have similar names within populations. Therefore, I make this small edit to the name. And there we go. Drag them over. All right, this is looking good, so we can download it now. Let's also give it the same name. Okay, that's one finished. Now let's do the bear table. Oh, same thing here. We want to be the bear, be bearish when price goes above 36,000. Oh, that's 3600, 36,000, and we want to do that for all the parents. In this case, it's only 3 parents. And this is the bear. Oh, sorry guys, 1 second. We decided to take the UI tables, so there we go. Thirteen parents in total, and just a quick active above for the parents, and you're basically set. Do the same thing as we just did with the longs, but now with double S. There we go. Same thing here. Download it as a CSV. All right, so now basically we have created agents that are bound to a certain price level or price range. Um, just to show you guys, what you can also do is you can start your bot, and you can drop the tables that you created. You can drop them in afterwards. So you can, while your table and your bot is running, you can drop in new tables and the bot will recognize them. So if ever you want to add some other table, you can just do that while your bot is running, basically. So we're gonna showcase that for a second. Yeah, we give the bot some time to load all our current populations in. There we go. All of them are loaded, and now we can just drag the other two in. Oh, that didn't work for some reason. Maybe I have a name spelled incorrectly or something. To check that out. Short UI. This is our table. Actually, it looks correct to me, so I have to see if we have disabled the function to drag and drop tables in. So I'll just move them in directly and run the bot like this. See if there is no issues like this. Otherwise, it might have to do with the way I named the tables, because short here might be the issue. Alright, so it's looking okay right now. So I think we have disabled drag and drop. So I'll ask if we can enable that again, because I personally find that pretty useful. But I can understand that many of you don't really create their own populations currently, but I am sure you guys can start doing that soon. So as I already said, there's only one person that has migrated to the 2.01 version, and he has done 190 completed trades. So that's congratulations to him, very well done. Since he only joined for like 2 days now. So thanks for migrating and putting the configurations correctly, but also congratulations on doing already 200 trades a day. There is something wrong here. I have to check this. List index out of range from auth. It has to do with this fella right here, the short UI. There's something wrong there. Just have to figure out what's wrong. What is wrong? Ah, I don't know what this 3600 is doing here, but I think we found the problem. Let me fix that quickly. And we can delete this one. We have downloaded a new one just now. We load that one in. We close our bot by closing the two Python commands, otherwise we won't be able to run a new instance. Then we double click the run windows and our bot will be booted up. I hope this time we did it correctly. So just a quick summary of what we did. We set active above prices. Oh, get out of my way. I do always like to give this some time to load because I hate not seeing candles being printed. Okay, there we go. So what did we just do? We put active above prices for our shorts, and we put active below prices for our longs. That's all we did, and we only did this for the parents, which basically means that the parents are restricted to some support or resistance level that you have detected, and then they're going to do the trading for you based on a little bit of your own technical analysis. Just a simple way of modifying tables and giving your bias to the trades. Okay, so I think we're done loading. Let's double check. No, 5 out of 7. Oh, hey, some of you are actually watching. Nice. Hey, Chloe. Hey, Levine. Hi, Zach. Wait, let me drag this down and I can actually read this. I use some indicators, oscillators. Can I set them up with tests? Hey, Levine. We'd love to hear about your indicators and oscillators, and if there is like we have a very clear vision of where we want to go. So we are not the type of software that listens to any trader and it tries to implement everything. But if it makes sense for us to implement it, there should be a way for us to help you out as well. So yeah, just get into contact with us, join our Discord, and we'll sure we can make something work. Let me see. So now we can actually get started because our agent tables are loaded in, and short UI, run. You always can check if your agents are actually being started up or your trading population, and there we go, confirmation, perfect. There we go. Next thing, we want to start these guys up. Yeah, for sure. I like that description of this pioneering. It's really I always like to tell the team as well. I would love I love the fact that I can't find anything similar on the web as in trading software. It's also a very new strategy in trading, right? Normally you have like these forex exchanges or these stock brokerages that ask such high fees. Like I know I remember that I was trading in the beginning, and I was trading on leverage as well, very young and unfamiliar. I used plus 500, I think, and then someone actually showed me how much of a negative win rate you have just because of the high fees that they charge you, right? And the spread between their buy and sell prices. And these things like in crypto it's different because we actually get paid to trade, and that's also what our system does, right? We spread a lot of orders up and down, and that's which game is this? Oh yeah, I'm gonna play a game in a second. Chloe Base, if you have Apex and you want to play a game, let me know because I'm really good at this. No, I'm not, but it's I thought it's fun to um, give the chart some time to play out, and then I can enjoy myself. So if you have Apex, let me know. And if there's some of you with questions, also feel free to ask. We have a Discord. You guys are welcome to join. I will create a nice little invite link. Invite people, edit. I will allow 5 of you to join within the coming 12 hours, guys. Keeping things limited, and special. So, YouTube, just a joke, by the way. I know there won't be like more than 5 people because there is only 5 of you watching, so that's funny. Okay, so there you go. If anyone wants to join, please feel welcome to join. We share technical analysis on crypto for the last, what is it, 5 years, 4 years, and we created our own trading software. Chloe, I think it would be really lovely to integrate webhooks as parent triggers. Yeah. Actually, it should be a very easy implementation, right? So that people can use their trading view signals as triggers. It could be done, right?
Wanna fly? I make a great wingman.
끝내버리자. Let's go for a ride.
Prove you're worthy.
All right. Enough standing around. Let's go.
Charging on my shield.
They're shooting at me. Faster, faster, faster.
Sending care package.
Charging on my shield. Taking fire.
Wings out.
Snatch the materials, amigos. Getting turrets.
Reloading.
Reloading. Down, down.
Wings up. Double kill. Well done. Always be prepared. Never let your guard down. Round two.
It's go time.
I hope you have discerned their weaknesses.
The all-seeing eye.
Wings out.
I'm recalling my drone.
Rails. Wings up.
Backing out of my drone. I'm good to go.
Care package.
Care package coming in. My drone has been destroyed. Taking fire.
Wings out.
Charge the shield. Come on, come on.
One sec. Using my Phoenix kit.
Reloading. Taking fire. I'm down. No bueno. Enemy is right. Got trouble here. Putting an eye in the sky. Taking my drone back.
Wings up.
Taking fire. I'm down. I'm not done yet.
Right, not bad, not bad. Me and Rob have some experience playing this game. This is where it gets challenging. It's 2 versus 3.
Round three. Remain vigilant.
Adding an extra pair of eyes.
Wings out.
I'm back. Logged off my drone. I'm recalling my
Fox 3. Visual clear. Good tone. folks. They take this one, they take it all.
I had to go to the toilet, sorry. No, I didn't buy anything short.
Getting shot at. I'm down. I need to get back in. Someone destroyed my drone.
Wings out!
Oh, I tried.
Well done, winners.
Anything happening here? 35,500 we said. Maybe I should put them a little bit more active, otherwise I'll be gaming for another hour, which is not really what I was thinking I would do. Let's just try to long this. At least we'll have some trades coming in. Let me actually post the two tables that I just created for you guys in test tables. Test tables. Downloads. There you go. And now we have some longs in here. So that's nice.
Pol levela, zajtra dám len pol levela. Hej no Maťo, lebo sa mi oplatí zapínať na 15 minút Warzone, ty hlavička. Hej.
Ready up. It's go time.
Nechcel sa mi zapsúť Warzone. A nebaví ma to proste. Nechápeš. Warzone ma nebaví už.
Fly. Fight.
Alright, let's do this. It'll be fun. And if not, well, you know, we all make bad choices. You live, you learn, life goes on.
This one's ours.
Ok, teraz tam pustíme, že...
Let's check out over there.
A Filip inak všetko pôjde, hej?
Let's reposition here. Round one. Fight.
Nič, len nechápem absolútne, čo hovoríš a trpí sa mi teraz. Napríklad.
Bam to the bam. I'm running out of ideas.
Bogey down. Reloading.
Reloading.
Wings up.
Perfectly executed.
Let's relocate here.
Round 2.
Wings out.
Targets.
Go bamboozle.
Box 3. Doubling the pod. Smuggling movement. My abilities are offline.
Enemy down. Yeah, I'm getting shot at. Taking fire. Popping smoke. Off the mic. Spotted.
Recharging shields.
Double timing it. Started shots fired. Care package coming in.
Wings up.
There's one right here. Down to target. Give me a sec. Recharging shield. Got a bad guy. Off the mic. I'm spotted.
I'm here. So let's get you a do-over, huh?
Reloading.
Wings out.
Sending out my decoy.
Next one's match point. We just gotta stick the landing.
Filip? Dobral by si zajtra do školy reprat? To je pointa. Musí vibovať do škole. Jasne, môj čerč trojku. Stačí, bude nás stačiť ten malý modrý.
Round 3. Do not relent.
Sending out another me.
Ale tak... Aha. To nevadí, to
Firing missiles.
Target spotted.
Materials. Check. Wings up. Wings out.
Sending care package. No impress.
Care package touching down. They usually carry rare platforms.
Wings up.
Downed an enemy. Reloading. Let's displace here.
Wings out.
And bam goes the boozle. Ha. Oh boy.
Wings up. Wings out.